This year's election is not coming on. The election is not coming on. We are not voting December 7, 2024. We are not voting. If you have something doing, go and do. If you have something going, you can go. Because the election will be put on hold. But the injunction back to election also. Election no Emma so. You can see this or quote me anywhere. 2024 election, and ya there, you better. And then the team, Roman Father team, DFP party, Philip Kwabena appear could be team at the injunction, Elquacoto election so. Yaku Supreme Court and ne at the injunction Aquacoto election so. Now, EC chairperson Jane Adukwe Mensa Embechichimu, Nintia Philip Kwabena appear could Roman Father and qualifies over contested election. Obechichimu. Na ntaasomua there is no way see ebepene so ama election no abaso enua ne say na amen. What went wrong? Enyina yenim mame akua donko eno no file nominations enyi bibia a qualify ye ani din ewo krata mu a ballot paper oda number 3 and the unfortunate happened ba mu ga befa no ko na ba mu ga befa no ko the obvious thing is say be my time na replacement which you did. Now replacement in area, you've accepted everything. Money more forms one carry and train. Then days later, I announced say forms now Roman father no there were irregularities so he can't contest the election. What? During the press conference, and saying Bioki Kanye,
1992 Constitution and Regulation 13.4 of CI 127, the Commission wrote to the Ghana Freedom Party and provided them a period of 10 days within which to file a new candidate. Article 50 of the 4 of the 1992 Constitution reads, where at the close of nominations, but before the election, one of the candidates dies, a further period of 10 days shall be allowed for nomination. In that respect, the Commission wrote to the Ghana Freedom Party and asked them to present a new candidate within 10 days. In fulfillment of that request, the Ghana Freedom Party presented Mr. Apiakubi, who was before then the vice presidential candidate to Madam Ekwe Adonko. The party presented him as the presidential candidate of the Ghana Freedom Party. He and the party went on to submit their nomination forms on the 5th of November, and our technical teams went to work immediately reviewing the nomination forms. At the end of the process, they detected a number of errors and some illegalities with the form.
I want me explaining, want me and teach him, say, we are from Suani, not in Janasa. See, oh, baby, would be quiet. The election, no, come on, we no go agree. During the press conference, want me mention the kind of irregularities are, say, we can't overlook them. State trying. Boboso say Roman father form how Nanko so fele say one fele. You should have brought this document. You couldn't bring them, so we are disqualifying him. You have to tell us. You failed to tell us on the day of a press conference. And you know, you go Supreme Court. The Supreme Court one more. Na be chichemu extra judges no. But we are dragging this matter to the end. But chichemu court no say this and this and these are the reasons in here. Philip Kwabena Apiakubi, Roman father, he can't contest the election. But during the press conference, now say he didn't qualify. He made some mistakes in the filling of the nomination form. Oh, who should be a mistake? It will disqualify no. More election process women and more kind mistakes am I. Even statement I hold them out no. More errors, any mistakes you womb. Yeah, overlooking. Just because the man is not a politician. He's not part of the cartel. He's not one of you. You know, I'll see a free. It is not happening. You see, Enia ye we bibia, enia lawyers nya team na trans ye we bibia as a spokesperson and personal assistant to Roman Father, the flag bearer of Ghana Freedom Party. We are taking this matter to the highest court of the land, Supreme Court. Tenase. The Supreme Court knows the swift manner and we are the parliament vacant seat in no. If they want the election to hold there, but if they delay there at the injunction, the better election so the 7th December election will not hold.